Hi everybody, this is Lauren of Plan Mosh Plan. Welcome back to another plan with me. This is a rewind plan with me like I've been doing recently for a week in August 13th, or the week of August 13th. I am using a kit from Muse Crafts. It's actually the first kit that I've tried from her and I love it. I'm like really into her kits right now. I think that her style lines up really well with my style of just like kind of simple but feminine, and I just like the way that she uses clip art. And then she's foiled her kits also, which I think is awesome. I want to say this is my first foiled kit actually, believe it or not. And it's super summery. I realized that I had this artwork. I think it's the same artwork in a Scribble Prints Co. kit, but they've done such different things with it that I actually don't mind using both of them, which normally I try really hard not to like double up on the same kits with the same clip art, because I just have so many kits and there's so much to love out there that I'm like try really hard not to double up on stuff like that. But yeah, so I'm putting down my full boxes, and then I actually put them all across the center, which I don't do very often. Normally I try and scatter them, but I tried it this week and I actually like how it turned out. And then I put the silver headers over the full boxes, and then I'm using bow headers that you could get as an add-on to this kit on the top and bottom boxes. Actually never thought that I would want to use bow headers. I thought that bow headers could I thought that they could look a little bit busy, like as far as headers go. I tend to like foiled headers or like glitter headers just for simplicity, or like really simple patterned headers. But yeah, I don't know. I thought I wouldn't like the bow headers, and then I bought them for this kit and I think one of her other ones, and now I'm kind of obsessed and I feel like I need to go buy a bunch of bow headers. I think they look super cute. So yeah, really into that. And then I started doing this a while ago and I kind of stopped maybe a plan with me or two ago, but I had asked a while back for questions to talk about during my plan with me, during my plan with Muse on my Instagram, and I think I did it. I like got a bunch of questions. I just asked for that one time I got a bunch of questions and I'm almost through answering all of them. So, I'm just going to answer the last couple here. There's only two more that I have right now. This one it's kind of a joke. It's from Chrissy, which is funny, but she's asked me, how many times a day do you stare at your ring, lol, or LOL? And I know she's kidding. But to be totally honest, I have not stopped. I'm like, to all you married or engaged people, like, do you stop staring at your ring? I don't. I find myself in meetings when I'm bored just like looking at it. I'm so obsessed. I love it so much. So all day is the answer to that. And then the last question is, who are your favorite makeup people to follow? And this is an interesting question. I have been watching makeup on YouTube since I was in high school. Like literally I can remember doing it, I think in like maybe my junior year of high school. So like 10 years ago, I think is probably when I started. So it's changed a lot since then, and I'm kind of always in flux. To be totally honest, right now in the past like couple years, I've been a lot more interested in watching planner videos and watching like entertainment kind of videos on YouTube rather than makeup. I really love watching planner videos mostly. But as far as on YouTube, I watch Jeffree Star and James Charles more for their like entertainment factor. I find them to be very entertaining, very talented, but I don't do my makeup like them. You know, I would never do like crazy kind of high fashion makeup like that. So I watch them because they're entertaining. And then I've been really into Brianna Fox lately. I think she's really great. I think she's a great makeup artist, and although again, I probably don't do my makeup, I do my makeup a lot more naturally than she does. I think that she's like, I think a lot of people in the beauty community a lot of the makeup artists can kind of be a little like, I don't know how to say it, annoying for lack of a better word, which kind of sucks to say, but oh, sorry if you can hear those sirens. But they can be kind of like really, like, I feel like they can try really hard to be really entertaining, and that can kind of grate on my nerves a little bit. So I feel like she's a good, like, mix of genuine, and she doesn't try really hard to, like, I don't know, be too entertaining. She's just herself, and she's a really great makeup artist. So I've been into her. I think Jackie Aina is a really great makeup artist, and Jaclyn Hill is a really great makeup artist, but again, those two can be a little bit like too much for me, so I don't always love their videos. Who else do I watch? I followed Desi Perkins and Katie, her best friend, whose last name is escaping me right now, on Instagram. I don't really watch their videos as much, but I do like their Instagram stories a lot for makeup. Yeah, I think that's pretty much it. And I've started on Monday. So back into Monday. If you have any questions about what I did in the sidebar or the washi, it's pretty self-explanatory, but definitely ask me in the comments. So for Monday, my time card was due. I marked it with a little flag, like an arrow from the kit, and then a silver foil $sign from Rose Colored Days. And then Monday, I had a ton of meetings. I had 4 meetings. So I'm putting a squiggle from Nikki Plan's Rose Colored Days collab, and then I'm marking work with a silver foiled script from White Deer Stationery, and a half box from the kit, and then that bow is from My Newest Addiction, and I just wrote down that I had 4 meetings rather than writing them all out individually because I didn't have enough room to do that up there. And then I am grabbing a nail polish from GP Sticker Studio. This is my favorite nail polish sticker that I have. I'm sure you've heard me say that a bunch of times if you've been subscribed for a while. It's just the perfect pink. I don't know how, but it matches with every kit. Like, it matches every kit that I have that has pink in it. It just somehow that pink just goes with all the pinks. It's just the perfect pink color. I wish I had stickers in that pink color for everything because it just goes with everything. And then I am taking a what's it called? A paper clip from Sticky Sloth Designs. Oh no, wait, hold up. I am actually taking a foiled quarter box. I think that's from Sticker Bloom, to mark that I had to book a spin class, and then I also had to fill up my clipper card, which is like my how do you say it? It's like my card that I use for public transportation. So just kind of making my to-dos cute rather than putting them in a to-do list, which I like to do. The Tuesday was my cousin's birthday. So I am taking one of these. Well, at first I wanted to take these really adorable balloon doodles from Toffee Bananas, Toffee Banana Co. Is that right? I can't remember. But they were a little bit too pink. Like the pink in this kit is very, very peachy, and those were a little bit too pink. So that didn't end up working. The colors didn't end up working. So I just took the birthday script from Rose Colored Days and layered it over a half box and called it a day. And then I am taking, I'm coming down below. I kind of cut this part out, but it doesn't really matter. I just trimmed down a heart checklist, which I really like her heart checklist because the hearts are really like dainty and pretty, which I like. And they're also white hearts outlined in black, which I think looks so cute. I love when stickers are outlined in black like that. And then I just took the same work script that I used from White Deer Stationery to use that kind of as a header for the checklist. And then on Tuesday, I didn't have a whole lot going on besides a ton of meetings, so I just was writing those down individually. And then after work on Tuesday, I went to my spin class. So I'm taking a oh, it's going real slow. Sorry guys, I tried to edit this well. Actually did this video at only like twice the speed of the actual real time. Like, I only doubled the speed. Normally I do it 3 or 4 times the speed. So let me know if you prefer this. It's a little bit slower, but I think it's probably better to watch. Actually, this clip looks like it's not double speed. I bet this clip is faster. Probably just messed that up. Anyways, so I marked that flywheel class with a drizzle banner from Clever Gal Crafts, and then that marble swell water bottle is from GP Sticker Studio. And then on Wednesday, I yeah, this looks like 3 or 4 times the speed too. I don't know. Okay, don't ask me what I did. Wednesday, I had an event at work for Victor Rolf, which is a like perfume company. They sell fragrance. Their latest line of fragrance was like magic themed. So we had an event where they came and you could test all of their like new fragrances, and they had like a tarot card reader, and they had like this hot shirtless man that you could take an Instagram picture with, who was like a magician, and it would like, they had it set up so it looked like he was levitating you, and you could take like boomerangs or photos with him. That was fun. And then we got their perfume. It was a really fun event. It was like well done. It was cute. They also had like macaron towers that had macaron flavors that corresponded with the like scents of the new perfumes that they came out with. Like one of the new perfumes like had like a kind of citrus liminess to it. Obviously it doesn't smell like lime, but so there'd be like a lime macaron or whatever. I don't know. I thought it was a really well done event. And then after work on Wednesday, I went back home for the evening, and we went out to dinner at a cute little kind of like Asian fusion tapas kind of style restaurant. I don't know. It was a cool restaurant. I've been there a couple times, but we did that for my sister's birthday and then my cousin's birthday. We celebrated those together. So that was really fun. And then both of those, the stickers on Wednesday, the happy birthday banner and the girl with the balloons are from, oh gosh, what is the name of that shop? I want to say Cozy Paper Co. Or maybe not. I'll have to leave that one down below because I don't remember, but they were both from the same sheet. And then I am marking on Thursday. It was my sister's birthday, so I cut down a flag from the kit, and I took a bow from Tassel to Planner and layered those to mark her birthday. Also, I got tweezers, and I was trying to use tweezers this week. It was actually really nice, but I kept forgetting, I feel like, or like not being used to using them, so I wouldn't use them. But it did help line up. I normally have a lot of hard time lining up flags where I cut them off so they don't extend all the way to the sides of the boxes. I normally have a really hard time lining those up, and I think that looks pretty straight, so I was very pleased with myself. Then I just marked work the same way that I marked it on Monday. And then after work on Thursday, Steven and I drove up to Tahoe. So I took some of the deco from the kit, like a suitcase and a beach bag, to mark that I just needed to come home and pack. And then we drove home. I used a globe from the kit to mark driving there. We just went in and out, made a couple stops. So I just used I thought the globe was a cute way to mark that. And then on Friday, Steven and I both worked remotely from Tahoe. So I'm marking quote unquote working from home, aka Tahoe, with this like third box from the kit, and then that desk sticker from GP Sticker Studio, and then I am layering the work script that I was using for meetings. I didn't have any meetings on Friday, so I layered that over the stickers and wrote that I was working from home. And then Friday was also payday, so I grabbed the payday script that is the same font from White Deer Stationery as the work scripts, and layered that over a flag that I cut down. And then this is a girl from GP Sticker Studio. I didn't want the whole like girl in it. Not that I didn't want her in it, but it was just like the sticker was really large. So what I ended up doing was I cut her out of it. You can kind of barely see her shoulders still on the wine bottle, but whatever. And then I cut the wine bottle down and just kind of like layered it onto the box, so it kind of, I don't know, looked all right in my opinion. And then I took a squiggle from Rose Colored Days, and I wrote that we went on a beer run, and we were just kind of sat outside on the porch all night, not all night, but in the evening, not drinking, but there's this beer place that we love in Tahoe that we always go to that has a bunch of craft beer. So we did that. We bought like some nice cheese and crackers, and that's just what we did in the evening. We also worked on the porch all day, so just a nice day. It's just so nice and relaxing to go up there. And then on Saturday, we like truly slept in. The curtain, we went to my my fiance's family cabin, and they have like these blackout curtains in the bedroom, and oh my goodness, we both like woke up at 10 a.m., which does not happen for either of us. Normally I'll like wake up at 8 when I'm like sleeping in on a weekend, but because it was so quiet, there was no city noise like I always have at, here where I live now, and there was like those blackout curtains. We woke up really late, so we slept in, kind of stayed in bed for a while. The face mask is from My Newest Addiction, and then we went to lunch and I got coffee, and just like some there's this cute place called Cork and More that just has great like deli sandwiches and great cafe. So we went out to lunch there. We slept right through breakfast. And I didn't mark this, but we actually went on a hike after that. But I guess I forgot to mark it down. So anyways, so right now what I'm doing is I'm taking some deco from the kit, the flip-flops and the sandals and the swimsuit, to mark that. After the hike, we ended up going to the beach, and we were just at the beach through the evening, I think pretty much until like the beach closed down. So that was really great. And then after we came home from the beach in the evening, we continued to sit on the porch and have more drinks and eat more cheese and crackers and salami. I took a flag from the kit, and then that mojito matched really well. I didn't have mojitos. I wish I did. But that is from the sticker party, I think. And then after that, we went out to dinner at a place called Cold Water. It's a brewery. We love like beer tasting or whatever, but this place, honestly, we've been there before and I didn't like it the first time, and I didn't like it this time either, so I don't think we'll be going back. It's fine, it's cute, it just, the food isn't very good and the beer is definitely not good. But I marked that with like a bow kind of header thing from, I think I was from Sticker Bloom, and then the utensils in the bottom corner were from Sticky Sloth Designs. Sunday we got up early to go back home. So I took a suitcase from a Piper Paper sticker company. I think that's the full name of the shop, to mark that we had to pack our bags back up, and kind of clean up the cabin for the next, whoever in his family comes up next. And then, and then I took another coffee cup. Both of those coffee cups, by the way, on Saturday and Sunday are from shop, I think it's Jimena Camila or Camila Jimena. I can't remember, one or the other. I love them though. They're very doodly. And then, so I use that to mark my Starbucks run, which is I always stop at that Starbucks when we leave from Tahoe. And it's always so packed and crowded. And then I just marked driving home with a foiled car from Simply Watercolor Co. and a arrow from the kit. And then when we got home, we went to the farmer's market. I was trying to use this like sticker from a My Newest Addiction and Planner Sophisticate sampler, but it didn't end up fitting. So I took that bunch of flowers from a GP Sticker Studio freebie to mark the farmer's market. And then we also went to the grocery store. So I took an arrow from the kit and layered a grocery cart from Sticky Sloth Designs to mark that. And then I meal prepped for a few hours after that. So I used another sticky, I think that's a Sticky Sloth Designs apron, or it might be Magic Prince Co. I actually can't remember. But yeah, that is the whole week. I actually really loved how this turned out. I thought the stickers were great. I love premium matte stickers, and I loved this kit. It worked out really well for me from Paper Muse Crafts, so I'm very pleased with that. And I also like that she had silver foil on this kit. Normally I tend to use a lot of golds in summer and a lot less silver foil, so it was kind of nice to use silver, and use all the stickers I hadn't used in a while and just kind of mix it up for summer. But that is everything. If I missed any of the stickers, please ask me in the comments down below. You can always find me on Instagram at PlanMoshPlan. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, guys. I really appreciate it, and have a great day. Bye.